this video, we will see how to watch videos in YouTube Miniplayer while browsing on YouTube site. If this is your first time viewing my video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added. In the YouTube video watch page, hover over and click this Miniplayer icon in the bottom right of the video. On clicking, you can see the video player has been minimized in the bottom right-hand corner of the page and playing. You can search and browse other channels and content within YouTube site. You can only view the content, but it does not have any other parameters like subtitles, cinema mode or full screen mode in the regular default player. You can click right on the mini player to get it back to the default watch page. You can click here and watch the video in cinema mode, or you can click here to view the video in full mode and back. I hope you liked watching the video. With this, we come to the end of this video tutorial. Please subscribe, like and comment on the video if it was helpful. Thank you.